Okay guys, that's my second attempt to record the ride in my car. Let's see if YouTube accepts my video. Okay, gonna turn on the car right now. I'm with the windows closed, okay? Okay, let's go. See, it's not too loud. I like a lot. I'm using the manual shift, okay? Semi-automatic actually. Semi-automatic. It's not manual. But I control the RPMs using this. If I put in the sport mode, it's gonna shift too early, so you cannot hear exactly the engine. Well, I'm gonna shift to the automatic sport mode. I'm going to stop here, and now that's the automatic sporty mode. See, it goes too early. So far so good. No dashboard lights. I don't know, the cars with like 3 months, I believe, with this the muffler and Resonator delete. So far so good, no problems at all. One thing that I forgot to research was regarding inspections. I don't need to care, like, to be concerned about that. I don't need to be concerned about that until the next 2 years. But I'd like to know how it's going to be during inspections for registration, renewal of the registration. I don't think that's going to be a big issue. If somebody knows, I'm here in Texas, so please let me know. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna hit like a little road here so I can kind of use the car a little bit more. Manual again, semi-automatic actually. Okay, it's almost 80 miles per hour, so I don't want to be picked by a police officer. But you see how cool it is when you use the semi-automatic, or if you have a manual shift, even better. I'm used to that. I'm from Brazil. Actually, you can see my accent, and in Brazil it's kind of actually in the 90s and early 2000s, all cars were basically manual shift. Now we are starting to get more automatic there, but I'm not from that era. I'm like a little old style. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Okay, leave your comments, subscribe, and leave the like for me. Okay, thanks so much.